Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off blue light on your iPhone. So to turn off blue light, you can enable night shift mode, and to do that you're going to go to the control panel, so swipe from top to bottom, then hold this brightness icon right here and enable night shift. So you can just schedule settings, turn on until 7, I can select that, and as you can see, the screen is now a lot more orange, a lot warmer, you can say that, and the blue light is gone, and this is great if you want to use your phone in bed. So this is what it looks like if you turn it off. As you can see, a lot more cooler, and this is warmer. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and be sure to like and subscribe.